upper arm, like, I don't know, shoulder, bicep area.
Good job. That's it. Left shoulder. And
Yeah.
how are you feeling that?
I saw spinach, and then I related spinach to Popeye, and then I related Popeye to flexing his arm, and then I see like the bicep shoulder area.
Beautiful,
That
beautiful.
was crazy weird.
He's actually wearing a green shirt.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. So that was the first thing I saw, spinach.
Wow, that's amazing. Good. That's so good. Okay. Now I'm going to write one number and one letter. Okay. And the number is going to be 0 through 9. It's going to be a one-digit number. Okay, I got it. Yes, Vernil has the number. That's right. I want to see if someone else can get the number too. So Vernil said, I heard the bird chirp 4 times. So it's 4, and it is 4.
Oh.
That's beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
That's amazing. All of creation is eagerly waiting for the manifestation of the children of God. He was resting in love.